Hey everybody, welcome to my new YouTube video about Bybit. Today I will show you how to buy Dogecoin on Bybit. So let's get started. First of all, let's pretend that you have already funded your wallet, and now you need to make sure that USDC is on the right wallet. And to do it, hover your mouse over assets right here at the top right, and now click on unified trading account. And if your money is on this account, everything is fine. So you can see that now I have here 38 USDT. Okay, and there's also your funding account on the sidebar. You can click on it, and here I have 60 USDT. So if you have USDT on this account, you need to click on transfer on the top right and transfer your money from your funding account to unified trading account. Just select the necessary coin, USDC, and enter here amount. For example, 30 USDC, I don't know. But I already have USDC here, and now you need to hover your mouse over trade at the very top and click on spot. Now at the top left you can see the trading pair Bitcoin and USDT, for example, and to change it to Doge USDT you need to click right here and now type in the search box Doge, or just select the necessary coin right here, Dogecoin. So let's click on it. Okay, and now we are on the Doge and USDT page, and here you can easily buy this coin. On the right side you can see the window where you can buy this coin or sell it, and now we want to buy, so click on buy right here. Now select market, and here just below you can enter the value of USDT for which you want to buy this coin, or just drag this slider to the right, select for example 1 USDT, and after that just click on buy Doge. So let's try to do it. Click on it. Here you can read more about this order, and let's try to buy it. Click on it, and that's all. Now you can go back, and here you'll see that now I have Doge coin. So this is how you can easily buy this coin on Bybit. Hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.